Good afternoon. Today I am going from Guwahati to Dimapur and the time is 1:15 p.m. So hopefully I'll be reaching sometime by 6:30 p.m. Gai me kalan tuna thunri we sai Guwahati khorena Dimapur phau kai khang bike khorena tadom tong thai kuma tatpat megan rena khwang khat makhai kalan khau thai kumna khwang srok makhai ningzen khau tangpong ai tan lum me. So I am on National Highway 29, which is connecting Guwahati, Nagaland and Manipur, and for about 130 you can see the 2-lane or the double lane, and it's really fantastic. I really love the roads of Assam. It's really great for the rider, it's really great. I really love Assam road. It's fantastic. You can easily munch miles with a smile. Assam ko nungai mi sam he sang he na gai tau Guwahati rina Dimapur par me kilometer pakhat tamru da wai tho double lane nai me tho pai na nungai 80 kilometers per hour ko thau mi gari ka long mo kum na pai na jang kum na ka khat lo jang gai lang din ni na hai dong video hai sang ni kum si so to mai da lian lo ne to na sum to ne kuma Guwahati ko na Dimapur kan me tho hai di hak ren ra mo ren rai sa khang ma kha sang te pai na gai to mai tho kum na hai te ne kum ma thai la hong ka tin na share lo bi to ne. Who will not fall in love with Assam road? It's really amazing. I really salute the government who have taken effort to make the road a very solid and smooth one. I think many of the states in Northeast can learn from Assam when it comes to road and transport system. Nungai lang dana lat sin sa ni mo kung ni da Avenger 220 ni nungai hang de dung ju sofa ko dung la luang to bang kom dong ni se rek ta sat bang thok kai pang kai dam kha kum ka te na kwai mai ka lek mai bam nai so kum kai mai sa ki kom ka to kum steady kum kalung dam na le sat kum samam nong hai ko sin ni kalung mo kom dong le se he gai lang ka ho hai ko mai tong bam ko bam lo na gari he kum thau ka sa lo me gan hai ka bam ka se ho Nagaland le Manipur ta me gan so pai na khena hak ding thai. I'm literally gliding on the road, and being in Assam for quite some time I'm being spoiled by the good roads, and when I go back to Nagaland and Manipur I can see a lot of difference even in National Highway. Here 80 km per hour you feel that things are not moving that much. I mean you feel that your bike is not moving because of the good road. You can see the road ahead, and it's a The road is practically straight as well, of course with few windings. I also come across the road cutting through the reserved forest, which is a real treat to the rider. I really enjoy the view, the fresh air, the wind blast, and the comfortable ride. I'm just lost. Sometimes when I don't put on the camera, I just keep quiet and just enjoy feeling the moment. Kabam gai hahak many sauru dinge. Ngau ra kho sang siap no me to pai na Hawaii dinge. Thing bang rena thau kaning koi ngam na pai na nungai puan ni than me phang to we. Tom na mai khang gari thau me gan hai. Mai lung ka than pa kum na ni thing bang no pai na Hawaii me hau me na pai na nungai dinge. Aw ka dag ke India hoặc mà cũng là foreign của cũng này các bạn ấy là gai nghe xe xịu suy long rồi. In fact, in certain locations, I feel as though I'm in another country, especially the lane that takes me to the reserved forest, where both sides there are a lot of trees. Chai ni pai na kathan ni kum siam lo mai te ni pai na hawe repairing ni sukutup si na kum suba me kabam ka sa ta goi ni as sang ding padik ba ni kilometer rig dai the way to goi ha hau kutup hang na hau lo ni karbi ang long ko ta there is double lane construction going on in Karbi Anglong side, and for about I think 40 kilometers I keep on seeing cows. Have to be really careful because they always go in gang, and I usually take from behind because when I see the cow moving in one direction, I don't know their speed. They may run or they may stop, so best thing is that I just take it from behind for the sake of safety. I also give a lot of horns, especially in the turn, because sometimes vehicles come full speed and then they come to another lane. I got my single lane ko hai kalik me bang ko thot horn ti ko top tong the ko ko the thot gari ka se thoran pa me thot paniu tong lane te thau hian pa me ga ni nai na me te ka te na kha horn ti ko top la we tong na to thau ben na ka te na section mai na kum lane bai ko te thau gun ma ngoài đình thách hay có mấy sáng thôi khẽ lóc hồng bằng đình ấy. So it's dark, and one thing that I want to share is that in the jungle area, in the forest area, I came across a lot of creatures flying around on the road that actually kept on hitting my helmet. Ding có thâu quá mà học hay rầm quy phải nó sắm này nghe nôm ra họ cũng cho mấy thôi helmet có thể buồn là tiệt đập dưới hắc tập cái nông hết.
So finally reached at Dimapur. This is the special thing for the dinner tonight. Chicken special, and the most attractive one is here.